So today we're going to dive into the topic of social consumer. So the main learning objective for you guys for today is why do social media marketers need to understand the behavior of consumer segments and what are the bases of segmentation used to group these consumers? So what is market segmentation? Market segmentation is the process of dividing a market into distinct groups that have common needs or characteristics. So this can also be referred to as the STP process, which stands for segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So the five bases of segmentation are geographic, demographic, psychographic, benefit, and behavioral. So geographic is based on region or country. Demographic can be based on age and gender. Psychographic can be based on personality and lifestyle. Benefit is more about what are you getting out of the products and service, what are you looking for with that. And behavioral is your behavior towards a product or brand. So geographic segmentation is relevant to social media marketers because of location-based targeting. So one example of this is geo-targeting and the Snapchat geo filters that you would see if you have Snapchat open in a certain location. So demographic and psychographic segmentation, social media campaigns that focus on demographics and psychographics tend to be extremely successful. It really just shows that the company understands the wants, needs, and challenges of the market. Benefit segmentation is important because it realizes that people are not the same. We all purchase products for different reasons. Take this energy drink, for example. People could purchase this for lack of sleep, as an alcohol booster, to increase performance, and these are just a few of the reasons why people would purchase energy drinks. And social media really helps brands identify these reasons. Behavioral segmentation can be segmented by the amount of time we spend online, the activities on our social media, for example, social games, the social networks used to access information, and the devices used to access social media. So the ideal customer is also known as the buyer persona, and this is just a snapshot of who they are based on the information collected for segmentation. And this helps the company or brand really just create a desired target market, and this is hard to do without personas. So this is an example of what a buyer persona would look like. It has the name of the buyer, the age, some characteristics of him, how he finds us, what he wants to know, what he doesn't want. And then two of the most important things on here are his pain points and then why he buys from us. So all this information is just an overview of some of the key points of social consumers.